been brought to my attention that a lot of people have been searching for how to make your auto-tune sound good in Bandlab. I'm going to walk you through a full process of how to use it, how to make it sound good, some tips for recording with it so you can get the most out of your auto-tune. And there will be free presets for you to download in the description. All I need from you is to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment. When it comes to using auto-tune in Bandlab, it's very simple. Bandlab has this beautiful feature. When you import the beat, it finds the key and the scale for you. So you don't have to worry about the key and the scale being wrong. The second thing that you need to do is turn it on. Regardless if you're on the phone or the computer, it's gonna work the same, okay? It's gonna be the same. We have the different modes. We have classic, modern rap, robot, big harmony, duet. I use classic mode. What you're gonna have to do is choose the correction amount that works for your voice and your singing ability or the desired effect that you want, okay? All right, so like 34, we're not gonna have a very strong auto-tune feel, right? 77, we're gonna have a stronger feel than the 11 or the 34 or the 46. If we crank it all the way up to 100, that's when we're gonna get the full auto-tune effect. So if you want more natural tune, you want to keep it around like 80 to 50, right? If you want that natural sounding tune, if you barely want tune there, I would say anywhere between 45 to 0. It would barely be there. And if you want to be able to make sure your auto-tune sounds good when you're recording, you want to know the easiest way to do that is to hear yourself, monitor yourself when you're recording. There's going to be people in the comment section saying, but I don't do that. You shouldn't do that. It's just like, bro, just chill. Stay in the comment section, right? Right? You know what I'm saying? Just stay in the comment section, right? I'm a person that's worked in professional studios. I have an audio degree. I work with Bandlab. I work with Antares. Any company that has an auto-tune plugin, I'm a beta tester because I know how to use auto-tune. In the studios, your favorite artists, they're recording with the auto-tune. They can hear themselves. So when they mess up, they know what not to do, right? You get a better performance. You get a better vibe. You can vibe out more. If you don't like to hear yourself when you record, that's fine, but don't come in my comment section talking crazy. So to get the most out of it, I got to build a vocal chain to record with. It's very simple. Just follow along with me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on the auto pitch after I'm done, but let's walk through the process. The first plugin we're going to use is a gain plugin because we don't have a mic pre, and this would be the closest thing to like a mic pre. So whatever we have for is like volume, you want to make sure you adjust your volume accordingly. Then we can come back in and we can add an EQ because me personally, I like to do a little EQ, but it's nothing crazy with the EQ. So only thing that I like to do with the EQ a little bit, we're going to roll out some of this low end out of the vocal, right? Because we don't need all that little boominess. So what I do is I'll work up the effect to where it sounds unnatural, and then I'll dial it back to where it sounds good. So right here, I like around 86. That works good for me. I'm not worried about nothing else. So if I want to go back in here, I can choose EQ 3 and boost a little highs, a little bit of the mids if I want, right? That sounds a little bit better. And then my favorite compressor that I like to use in Bandlab is going to be the 1176. I changed the ratio to the 4:1. And I change my attack down. I'll bring the output down a little bit, and I'm gonna drive the input up a little bit more. I'm gonna kind of have those point at each other because I'm kind of gain staging it out. So I'm not getting it like super loud. And if it's too loud, all I do is go back and tweak the gain a little bit to where it feels good, right? So that just sounds good. Everything is good there. We have like our mic pre, we have the EQs, and we have this right here for the 76. And then we need a de-esser. Okay, that's gonna help with the S's. So when we put a de-esser down, it just depends on what frequency range we want to hit. So I think around like the 5500s right there. So we can bring that down like this. So that'll work. And now what I like to do is put a little reverb here, and we can do the univerb. And I fell in love with the univerb. It's simple. The Women's Institute is a good preset to use within it. And you just drag it down, right, like 9-ish. If you want more, you do it. You want less, you just bring it down. It's completely up to you. And then if you want a delay, you can add a delay. So right here. But the delays depend on you. So We can do this. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, this be one preset right here. Let's see. Yeah. Studio. I'm like record pre. Alright, save on that. Boom. Go back over there. Turn on tune on. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's better. Alright. So like what I said. We'll go ahead and record. Know where your girl in. Listen. Do you know where your girl in? She been in my bedroom swerving up and down like she twerking. But she twerking. What I'm finna do now is just manipulate it a little bit so we can have different presets for you to have. So let's see, let's add another EQ right here, and we're gonna make just like a telephone vocal, like a lo-fi vocal. So let's just bring out some of this stuff like this and play it. Do you know where your girl is? She been in my bedroom swerving up and down like she twerking. Do you know where your girl is? She been in my bedroom swerving up and down like she twerking. So like that. That's crazy. I like that. So like that sounds good. So like let's add another plugin in here real quick. Let's do it like let's see, deep voice. There. So I can do it like that. Let's see. Do it like that. That's crazy. So that sounds good. That one alright. So let's take the de-esser out. Let's turn this variable up a little bit more. Let's add a chorus plugin on here, and let's like really go crazy, right? So do like that right there, right? So do like that. Let's play it back. So like that's crazy for them libs right there. That's hard though. I ain't gonna lie. I made some crazy pre's. So let's see. Let's just see what it sound like with this. right there. Not that one. That one ain't gonna make it sound good. I'm just trying to give you some little extra presets right here. Let's see. That's crazy right now. I like that one. I like that one. It don't take much to make your auto-tune sound good though. You feel me? It don't take much. It don't take much. It don't take much. That's hard. That's hard.